What's up, guys? Matt here. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's actually not like, it's really not hot yet. It's really humid, but that's okay. It's not hot. We're gonna take the old Subi. We gotta make a little run for some stuff. I need to get a drill bit for the seats. If y'all remember that, I burnt it up. I need to if you know, you know. I gotta get a drill bit from the hardware store. I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get U-joints for the drive shaft so that we can get that switched out and get the drive shaft back in the truck. And then I also get to play Plumber Dan. We had a sink drain that decided to say screw you guys and quit. So it's so weird. It says it's 90. It doesn't feel 90. It feels like 80 something. I guess yesterday was so miserable. Today feels awesome. Anyways, we're gonna do a little run, gather some stuff, get back here. There's a subscriber actually hit me up about the beds and was like, oh dude, I would have traded you my short wide bed. And I was like, well, come, because I still got it. So found out he lives a couple hours away, so he's actually coming right now. We're gonna trade beds. And I figured that's better than me trying to sell the straight side and use this one. I'll just use his, trade in that one, hook a brother up since he's supporting the channel. And yeah, so we're gonna make a run, get some stuff, do a bed swap. And all right, so bag secured on the U-joints. Look like the same one. Got some fresh C-clips in there. I think these are gonna be a match. I went ahead and got two. It said the same one for the front and rear, so I went ahead and got them both, because what better time to change the U-joints now instead of on the side of the highway when I replace the back, and then my luck, the front U-joint will disintegrate and shred my transmission and all that. So might as well do them both. So we got that, grab some brake cleaner, because I mean, we practically drink that stuff, so why not. I'm gonna wrestle this receipt a little bit longer. Now we're gonna go to the hardware store and get a drill bit so I can get those seat mounts drilled out once and for all. And then we probably gotta hurry back to the house. I bet the homie from Broken Arrow, Daniel, I bet he's almost there. So I'm gonna hurry up, get back to the house, and then get this video going. Here we go, boys. All right, bag secured, baby. Got the nice Irwin drill bit this time, Cobalt, and my buddy John Belt with the green car. If y'all remember him, I'll tag him below because he helped get me to this idea. Y'all need to check his channel out. Anyways, his AMX is sick. He was like, dude, pour some gear lube on it, because we were just using WD-40 here and there. He was like, dude, pour some gear lube on it, and that'll help it stay cool and not burn the bit up as fast. So we're gonna do that this time, and then I'm gonna get my MattyX plumber on and get the sink drain fixed. I'll probably do that later this evening or something when I go in the house. But yeah, we got everything we need. Let's get back to the house. All right, so Daniel made it.
Yeah.
Made the trip down.
Heck yeah.
We looked the bed over, chit-chatted for a little while. Bed looks great. We're gonna go ahead and trade. We do, when you're changing one way or the other from fleet side to step side, you gotta change the filler neck. So we got that unbolted, and I'm gonna crawl under here and we'll get it unbolted and get the bed switched out, send that old step side on its way to somebody who actually wants it.
Yeah, heck yeah, man.
I'm glad he commented on that, because like it was kind of like, oh, it's too late, you already replaced it. And I was like, no, I'll let that one sit if it's...
And I kind of thought about that when you said extended cab. I was like, I was afraid that it wouldn't work. So I was like, I got a short bed.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'd rather give it to somebody that wants it and just trade instead of trying to make somebody pay for it.
Step side sleeper, but like I said, I've looked forever and I thought, you know what, finding a short bed as it is was hard enough. And then one of those there was...
Drop the weight off.
It worked out.
Yeah, it'll go in one side. There it is. But yeah, we're gonna get to work. I still haven't replaced my cold shoe mount for the tripod, so no time lapse for y'all. I put it in my birthday wish list, which I'll talk about that later. So if y'all want to buy me a new one, then y'all can. If not, then I'll buy it later. All right, so after a gallon and a half of sweat, and a couple... Well, I'm about tired of these old boomers and their damn you gotta have your dual exit tips. Well, screw y'all, because if you gotta take your bed off, the crap's always in the way. Okay, this is why all the Quatches just dump it right there or shoot it out the side, and then you ain't ever gotta touch it ever again. Okay, evolution, guys. Anyways, we tried to set the bed up here, and then we all were today years old when we learned that a step sides bumper is different from a straight sides bumper. There's a very specific notch cut out for the bed right by the tailgate. Like this, a straight sides comes like to here, it's notched, but my step sides bed or bumper is notched all the way out to here. So if you ever got somebody trying to switch beds with you, you need the filler neck and you need the bumper, or you can do without your bumper, I guess, if you're gonna do something different. But all right, boys, it's hotter than yeah, that's all we're gonna say about that, because I say it's hot about every video. So I just want y'all to know that if you're the type of people that don't go outside too much, yes, it is in fact hot outside every day, all summer long. So we got the bed on, got the bumper situation figured out. I don't remember if I filmed that or not, but we did find out that the step side bumpers are cut way farther in, like the straight side was cut like right here. So it hit. So if you're ever gonna do that, you definitely gotta, well, you could cut a straight sides bumper and cut it yourself, but if you don't want to do that, just get the bumper that belongs to a step side, which that's the only difference, is that little notch is cut out farther, actually probably pretty much about double. So we switched him out. We had to cut his exhaust hangers to get to the bed bolt, so we rolled him up here. We're gonna get the good old Lincoln on it, tacking back up. And we found out his running lights don't work, so we're going to try to get him started on that 2-hour drive back to the house.
It's a project, that's why.
Hey, all right, so we got old boy welded back up, got his hangers straight, and I'm going to give you all a little teaser because I feel like it. And for whoever watches it, because I got a feeling people won't watch this video because they'll see something about bed swap, and y'all won't watch it because y'all just want to see the interior. So I'm gonna plug for the homies. Got this baby right here. I'm pretty freaking proud of it. Alchemy screen printing killed it. And yeah, this is gonna be the shirt, guys. All I gotta do is take a couple like nice pictures with it. I'll probably have it on and just be out somewhere nice so it looks like a good product picture. And then I'm gonna start the pre-sale. So this will probably be the last video that I advertise that you follow the link in my description that says the link to all links. You click on that, it's my link tree. It will open you options to go to my Snapchat, to go to my TikTok, to go to my website, MattyXBuilds.com. You need to go to my website and you'll come up to a page asking you for a password. Okay? At the bottom, it'll ask you if you want to subscribe to the newsletter. You want to do that. Please do that. I am in control of emails, so you're not going to get a bunch of spam. You're not going to be on a mail list, none of that crap. Go in there and subscribe. Everybody that subscribes with their email, I can see that in my Shopify app. I can see all the people that have already done it, and if you guys do it, then I will get to see who does it. When I open the pre-order, all of y'all that put your email in, I'm going to give y'all an email the day before with a code. I'm not telling you what that code's for. I'm not going to tell you what you will get because I can see if a subscribed email made a purchase. Y'all will be rewarded for being the OGs, for being the first ones to support, for being on the notification squad, for putting in your email on my website. Y'all will be rewarded. Once I start the pre-order, you won't subscribe to the email list. If you have your email in there before, you get the reward. If not, you don't get the reward. So little love, little bit back for my OGs, the people that really hold it down for me. Comment every video, like every video, watch every video, the dirt bike stuff, the truck stuff, doing the bed, working on somebody else's car, checking out somebody else's build, going to truck meets, whatever. If y'all watch everything, thank you. For that, I will give y'all a reward. So let me cover the stickers real quick. We got this design here. Use my hand for reference. We've got that with a black, and then we've got it with a gray. So you got these two colorways to pick from. I'm gonna tease y'all with these, but these are special. I only got a couple of these. These are a test run, and there's not enough of them for me to put them up for sale. So a couple of them will be special giveaways or something like that, but the other ones I'm hanging on to because we got to redo those, fix something. And then I got these. So y'all let me know what you think. Got a couple choices. These will be coming, but we got to touch them up and redo them a little bit, make some minor changes to the design. But yeah, so that's it. The pre-order is going to be for the shirts, and then I'm going to put the stickers that I got up on the website. You can buy the sticker right now and it'll get sent out. We're going to start learning all the shipping and stuff. We're going to be handling the shipping, so be patient with us on processing and getting them in the mail. But we will make it happen. We're going to learn, me and Ashley, we're going to get it done. So thank you guys for getting me to this point so far, and thank you for supporting me. I'm going to grow. We're going to do it big. We're going to have more merch. We're going to have hats coming soon. We're going to have lanyards. We're going to have long sleeves. We'll have hoodies for winter. I mean, we're doing it. We're going to do it all. So if you guys want to support, thank you very much for getting me to this point, and I will remember this moment right here. 6 months into it, here we are. To me, I'm proud of that. So thank you all. That's it for this video. Like I said, the link is in my description. The link to all links, the link tree, click on that. That's everything you need to see. If you want to get in touch with me more than YouTube, you need to go and follow me on Instagram or Snapchat and get it popping. Other than that, that's it for today. Peace out, guys. See you later.